So hi guys, it's me Deepak, and this is another vlogging video. And here I want to talk about why I haven't been posting in a while and what I'm doing. To begin with, I have been working on an algorithm that I can implement in my Snake game so that I don't have to press the keys because pressing keys is hard. Also, I have just previously posted an Android Studio tutorial video, so if you are interested, the links are in the description, so please check that out. Okay, so no joking. So no more jokes.
Okay.
So I won't talk about why I haven't been posting in a while because I have been making long videos now rather than small videos. So I thought maybe I should just decrease the frequency of the video. Second thing I want to talk about is I have just posted an A-star algorithm video, and that A-star algorithm I have been working on, and I thought maybe implementing it in the Snake game would be a good idea. Spoilers, it's not. There are a lot of things to consider when you're working on a Snake game, so it's not. Okay, so let's talk about my experience implementing the Snake game. So initially what I did was I just used my old code of the Snake game that I have put on channel as well, and I use the same extra algorithm, and I thought maybe if I just put those two together I will be able to make the code work somehow, so magically something will happen. I don't know. So initially it was working like if you can just ignore the tails at all and just have the head and the fruit, it will work like because there is no obstacle and all. But difficult part comes when you have the tail to see how the tail will work, because if you have the tail then there are many chances that the snake will just go inside and out. I mean, it's very weird how it will work. So I was working on that, and turns out you have to think about a lot of things when you're implementing A star in the snake game. One of the biggest obstacle that I encountered was implementing A star and think about the initial position of the tail, how it's gonna move, and to be honest, I will be doing a video after this one about implementing neural evolution augmented topologies in the NEET. What I'm saying. So I will be doing a video about neural evolution augmented topologies implementation in the Snake game because I think that will be an easier option rather than doing all of this. And before I will bang my head on the wall, so I stopped doing that because it's not working as I planned. And as you can see on the screen, no matter what I do, this code won't work. It sometimes just stop automatically because it cannot find the first path. Sometimes the fruit will originate at the I mean, there are a lot of things. I mean, if there are a programmer that is good enough, he can figure out a way, but I'm not. I'm just a college student, so I cannot do that right now. Maybe in few months I will be able to, so I will make a follow-up video regarding this one. But at this point I don't think I can make one. So let's say I cannot do this one, so I moved on, and so I started program learning. Let's talk about another thing. So after that day I thought about taking a challenge. I thought, let's see how many culture questions I can solve in one day. I initially thought maybe 10, and some better luck maybe 12, 13 if I have, if I can encounter some easy questions or ones that I have some experience tackling. But it turns out first four question were easy. Then comes down the fifth question, and man, that took a while. If you can just check on the toolbar of my, I mean, so you can just check on the top right corner of my map, I mean on the screen, you can see that how much time I wasted on that question. And to be honest, the question was really simple. I mean, there was just about to serialize and put on the I mean the one with the great score and all. I mean, it's not a difficult, and I was getting the answer right. But I don't know, it's because of something that some programming bug. I mean, there is a bug there. So except for the fifth question, the first four question were obviously simple and easy overall. I'll just say that if you're stuck at one question, don't put all your time in that question. I did wrong on that day because I should have just left the I should have just left that question right there then and there so that I could just move on and solve more questions. And then I would have the video to put on. But no, my egoistic self had to solve that question and fail.
Stop it. Get some help.
But other than that, the first question, I mean, the first question was a bit tricky. Overall, it was an easy one. You just have to figure out a way on how to solve that question. I mean, you can just see on your screen, like it wasn't like a big deal. Sometimes I have to just go and look for the function name because I'm not good with remembering names, so I forgot most of the time. Except for that, the rest of the three questions were a breeze. I mean, you cannot even imagine how simple were they. How simple they were. Actually, I have to check twice that I was able to figure out the answer because I couldn't believe that those were that easy. Uh, Aside that, I should talk about my coach chef experience this time. To be honest, this was the first time I was able to solve a coach chef question. I mean a cook off kosher question, not like those regular ones. Um, because usually I don't take part because I'm not that experienced in. I don't have that much experience, and I'm not that good with such an algorithm. I just figure out a way, good or bad, that works for me. So sometimes it works for me for the requirement, but sometimes it won't, and I'm just lazy. So this time I was able to solve the question, and it was really exciting. First time my rating go high the next day, and it was like a really good dopamine. And I think I'm going to continue with solving more questions. Also, this month I was able to solve the Kickstart question as well.
Nice.
So that was a good. Then aside, there's something I want to talk about. I just want to ask you, if you're watching this video, and subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, because it really motivates me to make more videos. And I think that's what I wanted to say in this video. So if you like this video, press the bell icon and comment if you have any ideas about what I can make, because to be honest, I'm out of ideas at this point. uh, the best idea that I have are two possibilities. One, I can make a video on uh, singularity, that's about intelligence boom, intelligence explosion. And the second idea I have is implementing new evolution augmented topologies in Snake game. So if you have if you can comment down and tell me what you want me to make, I will probably make a video on that. And with that, I will end this video.